EveryDrop by Whirlpool Refrigerator Water Filter 4, EDR4RXD1, pack of 1. EveryDrop Filter 4 is the only filter certified by Whirlpool Corporation to work with your Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, JennAir, and Amana refrigerator. NSF Certified to reduce the most contaminants. Reduces 23 contaminants, including pharmaceuticals, waterborne parasites, lead, mercury, and pesticides. Replaces model numbers UKF 8001 and 4396395. Note: do not use a piercing type or 0.19-inch saddle valve, which reduces water flow and can clog more easily. Used in bottom freezer and side-by-side refrigerators which accept filter 4. Replace filter every 6 months or 200 gallons to maximize contaminant reduction. Note: refer the manual before use. It is a single item of water filter 4, pack of 1. Packaging may vary. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.